Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: online tutoring. In this video, we will explore the world of online tutoring, its benefits, and how it can help you unlock your learning potential. So, let's dive right in. Segment 1: The rise of online tutoring. Online tutoring has gained immense popularity in recent years, and for good reason. With advancements in technology and the convenience it offers, students and tutors alike are embracing this new way of learning. Let's take a closer look at why online tutoring is becoming the go-to option for many. Segment 2: Benefits of online tutoring. One of the key advantages of online tutoring is flexibility. Students can access tutoring sessions from the comfort of their own homes, eliminating the need for travel and saving valuable time. Additionally, online tutoring provides a personalized learning experience, as tutors can tailor their teaching methods to suit individual student needs. Segment 3: Tools and platforms for online tutoring. Now, let's explore some of the tools and platforms that make online tutoring possible. From video conferencing software to interactive whiteboards and screen sharing capabilities, these tools enhance the learning experience and allow for seamless communication between tutors and students. Segment 4: Tips for effective online tutoring. To make the most out of your online tutoring sessions, here are some tips to keep in mind. Firstly, ensure a stable internet connection and a quiet learning environment. Secondly, establish clear communication with your tutor, discussing your goals and expectations. Lastly, actively participate in the sessions, asking questions and seeking clarification when needed. Segment 5: Success stories and testimonials. Now, let's hear from some students who have experienced the benefits of online tutoring firsthand. They will share their success stories and how online tutoring has positively impacted their academic journey. Segment 6: Q&A session. Before we wrap up, let's address some common questions about online tutoring. We've received several queries from our viewers, and we'll do our best to provide helpful answers. Conclusion. That brings us to the end of today's video on online tutoring. We hope you found this information valuable and that it has inspired you to explore the world of online tutoring. Remember, education is a lifelong journey, and with the right tools and resources, you can unlock your full learning potential. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep learning and growing.